I'm Anita Gokala. I'm working in Sultan Bazar Maternity Hospital as a mentor. I was trained as a midwife in Fernandez Foundation in 2013. I completed my complete training in Hyderabad itself. But initially, nobody started believing me like what I was doing. But I was getting trained from the UK midwives who was like Becky, and later on I could get Indie Mom and everybody who all were involved. So they started training like be confident and everything. And we used to have weekly encouragement type of meetings with the mom also. So every mom used to give us good support. So that made us like to get involved and to help the mothers. Fernandez is the place where I could gain the knowledge as well as something new, like supporting the mother from birthing. Now I'm working in the public sector. But when I have seen the mothers who are coming to the public sector, the mothers are entirely different. Like they will be like from the poor background and they may not have proper support from the family. And we even see the mothers who just come alone. They don't have any support. Like if a midwife stands beside them and if she takes complete care, they think like, they even praise the midwife telling that this is a like we are with somebody who is like goddess to us and they will be taking care of us completely, and they completely believe on them. The trust what they gain, the midwives who stand, even now I see the trainees who are working with them, so they will be like completely involved. They will be talking to them in their own language, because I see Telangana people talking to them in Telugu and whatever their language, they feel very comfortable. So it's a very good opportunity as well as very lucky. Like these many years we didn't have the midwifery services in public sector. Now this is a new thing and new support what they are getting from. Actually, my goal when I was doing nursing was like to complete MSc nursing and to be in the teaching field. Teaching field is different, where we just take the classes, theory sessions to all the students and they get knowledge. That is also helpful. But involving with the emotions of the mother is entirely different. So I felt like, why can't I continue my career in the midwifery? So I started like searching for the things like where I can teach as well as support the mother in both the ways. So I felt when I got the opportunity to be like teach the students, it's a beautiful opportunity for me to teach them. These people will go into different parts of Telangana and they will be working with the mothers. So indirectly my teaching, like my skills, will reach out to the people who all are not involved. This training is reaching till the even the remote areas who all won't receive proper care or proper facilities. These skills might save few people life of babies as well as mothers. So that's made me to stick up to the midwifery. Actually, many of the mothers doesn't know like what is midwifery and who all are the midwives. So people in other countries, they feel happy if they get a midwife appointment. But in India, they are like going to the doctors. I know it's like because we are practicing in the same way, but they can even believe midwives thinking that like they will be the people who will be giving the natural normal birth. Who all prefer to have a normal birth, they can easily and happily come to the midwives and they can take the services what they are ready to give. Since I'm a mentor working with the midwifery students, I just wanted to tell that why can't this midwifery be as a part in India? Babies are safe in other countries and the number of maternal deaths are very low. So I feel like government should involve this program and this midwives to be like nurses. Like we are selecting all the nurses in different parts of the hospitals. In the same way for birthing room as well for the mothers in the maternity hospitals, why can't be the midwives as the lead people to take care? So it will be a great help for the obstetricians also, because low risk mothers will be taken care of by the midwives, and if they feel like there are some problems, then automatically the mothers will be referred to the doctors.